Hello everyone, I am Amarnath Sharma and now I am going to tell about how to connect a database to your chatbot. In before video, I explained how to connect a API to a chatbot. Now to save the responses and data of the user, we should use a database. For that, I am using Firebase, which is a Google-based database. In Firebase, we should create a project, uh, add a project and enter the project name. After creating a project, we should first create a Firestore database. When creating, it will ask which server you want and select the Mumbai server, which is Indian server. After selecting the server, the Firestore database will be created like this. In this, there will be three sections. Uh, this is the section in which collections are stored. Uh, in this section, the contents of the collection will be available, and this is data in the data of every user. After creating a Firestore database, to use this database in our website, first we need to do some work. Here you can see project overview. Click on the setting button and click on project settings. Here we can see the project settings, name of the project ID and all. Here move to the service account section and uh, move to the service account section and select Node.js and generate new private key. While generating a key, set the location to the folder in which your code for the chatbot is written and save with the name. Here I saved it with the name service account key. Uh, After that, the requirements for setting up Firebase are complete. And now I'll show you the code and what are the required packages that need to be installed to add the database. Packages we need to install are Firebase package, and to use Firestore, we should be admin. So, Firebase admin. Move to the terminal and open the folder in which our chatbot program is saved. To install the Firebase, we use the command npm space install Firebase. It will install the Firebase packages. To install the Firebase admin, we use the command Firebase admin. After installing the two packages, I will show you the code. Here, this is the code for my Telegram chatbot. In this code, here constant initialize set is equals to require Firebase uh, admin app. In this line, initialize app and set are functions from the Firebase admin SDK app module. Initialize app is used to initialize the Firebase admin SDK with provided configuration. Set is used to specify the service account credentials. Here, constant get Firestore is used to initialize the Firestore database services. This is used to interact with Telegram chatbot. This is used for importing external APIs. This is bot token generated in botfather. It is my API key. And the constant admin imports the Firebase admin SDK, which provides access to Firebase services on server side. It also allows you to interact with Firebase services such as Firestore. This connects our project with the chatbot. This is the service account key we downloaded in the project. By importing this in the code, we can save the data into the database. This will initialize the Firebase admin SDK with provided service account credentials. This line initializes the Firestore database services using Firebase admin SDK. It also creates a reference to Firestore database, allowing you to read and write from database. The start message will show welcome message, and while giving the command using slash image, comma the query, a user can get images related to its query. He will get a random image regarding the query, and Here in this function, we are considering two parameters, search term and image URL. Uh, search term is the query given by the user and image URL is the URL of the image. We are saving these two to the database. The database collection name is searched images. This will create a collection called searched images and save the search term, image URL, and timestamp. Timestamp is at which time the user searched about the query. That time will be stored in database. Now let us run the code and check whether it is working or not. To run the code, the command is node space. Name of the code is bot.js. Now it is running. This is the bot, and in this bot, let us start. After starting the bot, it will display welcome message. Welcome to image bot. Slash image Taj Mahal will give the photos related to the Taj Mahal. Every time it will generate a random photo of the same query. Let me show you in the database about the search. As you can see here in searched images collection, data related to the query is stored. Uh, Here the URL of the image and what the user searched, what the user searched, and the timestamp. These three will be stored in the database. Thank you.